So you want to know the rotation of a component in the world. That's get world's rotation. Now as we know, sometimes actor might be rotated differently than their parts. Knowing a component rotation is how you aim from the right spot. How to get this note, just right click and type in get world rotation. And one thing to notice here is that its target is scene component, which means you have to connect a scene component to use this node, otherwise it will gives you an error. Now for now we have three options: default scene root, cube 1 or cube, as we have three components in the blueprint. For you it can be very different, but for right now let's just get this node like this. And for now we will remove both of these because I have already prepared an example to better understand. So as you can see on the screen, we have a event tick from where we are taking execution pin to print string. Now in print string, what we are printing here is we are printing the cube, this cube exactly, world's rotation, and then we are connecting it to print string and it automatically converts the rotation into the string. Now moving forward, we also printing one more thing here, which is the get actors rotation, which will give you a actor rotation and a cube rotation, which means we will separately check the cube's rotation and the blueprint's rotation. Let's just compile and see in action, then we will understand it more better. Now let's just press begin play, and as you can see here, we are printing two rotations here, one for the cube and one for the actor. Now let's first just move the whole actor so we can see. Yes, as you can see on the screen, we are changing the yaw of the whole actor, the cube and the actor itself. But now let's just double click here. Wait a minute. Okay, we again selected the whole thing. Yeah, now we just clicked on the cube, and as you can see, the actor's rotation is not changing, only the cube rotation is changing, which is a part of act, not the whole thing. So how it is giving us the exact rotation of a cube, only a component, not the whole actor. The whole actor remains the same. Now the question is, where is actually used? It is used for projectile direction from socket, turret barrel aiming, or aligning UI to match camera territory. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.